you say arugula? Do you say arugula?
I can't roll my tongue.
Try.
Arugula.
But why can I and you can't? Arugula.
Arugula.
So, Eric, I can't think of a better way to get you to eat your fruits and veggies than having this salad.
You're so good to me. You love making salad.
So, as much as Eric likes to pretend that he likes his fruits and veggies, I would care to differ.
I'll give you this. You are very creative in incorporating fruits and veggies in a delicious way. So if I was a 5-year-old, which you often say I act, I would be happy to eat these fruits and veggies. So what are we doing today? What salad are we doing today?
We are disguising arugula with some beautiful native pears. Oh, and he's already going in for the bacon. We have some smoky bacon, parmigiano, and some chopped walnuts. And I can't think of a better way to eat pears and arugula than this combo.
This is my kind of salad. Let's roll.
It's so fall. Don't you feel so basic?
Yes, it's very fall.
Okay, so let's get started. We start off with arugula, and I like arugula in this because it's nice and peppery. Sample it. Do you agree it's peppery?
Very peppery.
And I have some bacon, which he's made a dent in this. I mean, look at this. This is pretty
the whole house
impressive.
smells like bacon.
There's also some cheese in here, so clearly
I make sure before it goes in.
Oh, and it's gone again. And I just cook this off until it's nice and crispy into little bits. And when I did cook it off, I left some bacon drippings for the dressing.
I love when you do that.
Doesn't just add a really nice smoky dimension without keeping the grease in, because you don't want that bacon grease. It's just the little drippings after you cook the bacon off that's on the bottom of your pan.
The one time
gross because it's dry.
I put the whole bacon grease in the pot. That wasn't the way to make dressing. Got it.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
And then we have some finely grated Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Enrico, do you want to add this in?
Yes.
I really missed you today when I was prepping for the video because my arm was sore. It was
I cut all the onions and grate all the cheese in this household, so.
Yes.
Okay.
It's your duties.
What else we got?
And some finely chopped walnuts. And don't you like the finely chopped? Because it just it mixes in with all the other ingredients instead of having big chunks of walnuts, but it's like buttery.
Can I mix this? I mean, this looks pretty cool.
Yeah. Oh. It's gonna fall right out of the bowl.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna take our bacon drippings and we're gonna turn this into some beautiful dressing.
Okay.
Now, I will task you with getting this nice little drip of honey out of this bowl. Good luck.
Wow. Okay.
Oh, there's a little bacon on the end of that just for you. Oh, is it gonna go into the honey that way? Here you go.
Thank you.
There you go. Okay, so we have a nice little touch of sweetness in here, which really plays off the pears nicely. And then I have some white balsamic vinegar, and this is great with pears. Highly, highly recommend. It's a little bit more mild than a regular balsamic. Oh, and he's licking the spoon. And I know you love white balsamic, or literally any type of vinegar.
Any vinegar.
And then we have some olive oil here just to round out the dressing. And I'm gonna let you use your man muscles, Rico, and just put some pepper in there.
Oh.
Some pepper.
Okay. Can I whisk this up too?
And I don't put salt in this, just because we're doing cheese and bacon, you just don't need more salt, but feel free to salt it up. Give it a good whisk. Get that
it smells so good.
Whisk going on.
And then we just pour it right into the bowl, just like that.
And then I have a beautiful pear that we got at the farm stand, and I'm just going to cut the pear into quarters and take each quarter and cut it into slices just like this. So pick it up by the stem.
Okay.
And you're just gonna hold it, make sure to curl your hand so you don't cut yourself. And then just cut it into quarters.
Quarters.
So just like that, go all the way down. And then you have 2 more quarters left.
Ah.
Those are smaller.
Okay.
Okay, there we go. Yes! Triumph! Okay, yeah, and then just do thin slices. And these are, I didn't get ripe enough ones, so they're a little crunchy.
Oh, I like crunchy. Like al dente pears.
Yes, exactly. Then, don't add those in. You're actually gonna put them on the top. I like it on the top just because it's a nice like little pop of green.
You don't want them to get lost in the salad.
Yeah, you don't want them to get all soggy and gross, especially if they're not super hard like these.
Okay.
But just go ahead and mix and toss your salad together. So all the ingredients are combined. You can add a little extra olive oil if it looks dry.
Serve it up. Serve it
Would you
up.
like to serve my lovey dear?
Yes.
Look at that.
Just a little portion for us?
Yes. A little share portion.
Oh my gosh.
Although you know.
Come on.
You know that we're gonna end up eating that whole bowl.
Yes.
And I just like to put the little wedges, throw them
That's
around.
cool.
Look at that.
I love it.
Would you like a fork?
Yes, please. Oh my lord.
Is that not so good?
That's not salad. If that's salad, then I'll eat it every single day.
Honestly,
Wow.
it's just so good with the cheese, the saltiness. It almost has a creaminess when you finally grate it. And the smokiness of the bacon and the walnuts add like a butteriness. And the
love it.
pears.
Pears
I
are
like
good.
them.
Pears cut through all the richness. So, can we please eat this?
Yes. Check it out on tastefullygrace.com.
You won't regret it.
You don't want a whole nut in your mouth. You just want like a. Come back. Come back. Hold on. Come back.
Come back to
All right,
me.
here.